Okay, so let's start off with the quiz. Translate this to JavaScript. Log bear to console if furry is true and weight is over 100 pounds. So if furry is true and weight is over 100 pounds, not or. So it's definitely this statement. What will the following code log to the console? Let neat tacos equal true. So if not neat tacos is equal true, console.log finding tacos. Definitely finding tacos. What will the code block log to the console? Let grocery item equal apple. All right, so switch statement. So if grocery item is true, case tomato, console.log tomatoes are 49 cents, break case lime. But the case is apple. Is there any case for apple here? No. Otherwise, default console.log invalid item. It's going to say invalid item. How would you properly refactor this code block using the tyranny operator? So fork is equal to walk signal is equal to walk. Console.log you may walk, else console.log do not walk. So let's say walk signal is equal to walk. Definitely this one. What will the code block? What will the code block log to the console? Let weather equal spring. Let clothing choice equal basically an empty string. Okay, so if weather is equal to spring, which it is, clothing choice equal put in rain boots. Okay, so you're reassigning the clothing choice. So this seems to be correct. So if weather is equal to spring, then clothing choice put on rain boots is reassigned to clothing choice. Okay, so that's correct. Else if weather choice is equal to summer, which is not, weather choice is equal to fall, weather choice is equal to winter, no. Else console.log invalid weather type, console.log clothing choice. So the clothing choice will be put on rain boots. Okay, moving on. To make the statement valid, what operator belongs in the space below? Okay, so if coin is equal to heads, which is 3 equal signs, because a single equal sign would just be an assignment operator and not a conditional comparison. What is the general purpose of a conditional statement? Conditional statements answer binary yes or no questions. Conditional statements evaluate code as either true or false. Yep, that's it. What will the code block to the console? Log to the console. Let runtime equal 35. Let run distance equal 3.5. So if runtime is smaller than or equal to 30, which is not runtime, and run distance is no, that's wrong. If runtime is greater than or equal to 30, which is not. If runtime is greater than 30, which it is, or run distance is greater than 3. So either this condition or that condition, it's still going to log nice workout. Whereas an and, if you've got an ampersand in between, both statements need to be true. So nice workout, else console.log keep on running. It's going to be nice workout. That's correct. So which of the following variables contains a true value? Oh, this one's... So let var4 equal empty string, which would probably be false. Let var1 equal false. Let var3 equals 0. Let var2 equal false. Yeah, this is tricky because it's equal to a string. Yeah. If is angry is equals true, which of the following expression evaluates to true? Is angry is not equal to false. Okay, great. Move on. Start next lesson.